This is our project AI in healthcare. Usually, our healthcare MVP helps the patient and doctors to connect easily. The patient interface lets the patient record their daily data and details. The files are this one is the data files. Initially, the data is stored in the .csv file. Now it will be in the Firebase. And this one is the doctor folder. And this one is the patient folder. And this one is the utils folder. Now, let's give a brief description of our project. The patient interface lets the patient record their data daily, health details like pain level, walking, medicine taken, and notes. They can even upload their wound images or scans also directly from their phone or the computer, so that it will be easy for the doctors to diagnose them. And another interface is the doctor interface. The doctor interface shows all the patient data in the one place. Doctors can monitor trends, check uploaded images, and give advice for the prescriptions quickly. These help the doctors quickly make a better decisions also. We will use the Firebase here to store all the data safely and make it available in the real time. So when a patient uploads something, the doctors can see it immediately. AI can also help by noticing patterns or warning signs in the patient data, making them easily and system smarter over the time. In short, this MEP makes healthcare simple and fast for both the patient and the doctors. First, let's go towards the patient side. This is the patient interface. Here it opens the patient interface. Here we will submit a name, and based on the pain level, he can adjust the pain level based on this assumption whether mainly our app is based for the those peoples who are discharged from the hospitals after the surgery, so that their post diagnosis can be done easily. So based on their assumption, they will adjust the pain level here, and they also update their walking steps today. For example, let us take 1500, and they have taken medicine, yes or no, yes, and they will give a feedback about how their health, whether they are good or bad, okay, etc. Once I click the submit data report, the report will be submitted and will be stored in the Firebase itself. Okay, the report will be stored in the Firebase. Let's go to the Firebase and check it. In the Firebase, we have made a folder for our project called AI in Healthcare MVP. Let's go inside that. Here, Kausik area is just the name of our database. Firestore database inside where our details are stored. Here we can able to see the collections. For example, patient collection. I have already registered a few of the patient name earlierly. That is Aditya, Anant, Ankush, Ganesh, John, Manikanta, Manish Kumar, etc. Let us check one by one. Here Aditya, when we see Aditya, here it displays whether he taken medicine or not. Here his name and the note written by him and the pain level, steps, worker, timestamp, etc. Similarly for Anant, Ankush. This is the Firebase. And now let's move to the doctor side. This is the doctor dashboard where we can see the patient details like Manoj Kumar, John, and Kush. As we already seen, the data will be stored in the Firebase and will be fetched here. Here, the doctor can check the patient details, and we have implemented AI so that it checks the patient interface. I mean, the details given by the patient and suggest whether the risk is moderate, high, or low, so that the doctor will get notified. Based on that, the doctor can give a prescription and also give a suggestion to the patient. If the pain is severe, the doctor can ask the patient to immediately report to the hospital. Suppose I will give update to the Manoj Kumar that now the update will be sent to the Manoj Kumar, and when in the patient dashboard, when we see the Manoj Kumar's patient dashboard, he will get notified about these doctor updates. He can then proceed. In the patient portal, we can see the two part here. First one is the prescription check. I mean the prescription given by the doctor, and the second part is the daily data for the patient who need to enter that. If suppose let's check for a patient named Aditya, whether there is a doctor prescription for them is available or not. Let us check for the prescription. No, the doctor have not given any prescription for him. As we can see here, no, not yet provided. There is no prescription provided by the doctor. It means he is feeling, he have already said that the pain level is 2. Step doctor is 40,000. Medicine taken is yes. And he didn't submitted any of the notes also. It means that doctor assumed that he is healthy. So doctor didn't give in any prescription for him. The rest part is data submission. The main reason for using the Firebase database here in our project is that it stores all the data securely and updates in the real time, and it is also easy, safe, and fast. Doctors can easily see the patient updates instantly. And for the future updates, we can also add the patient wound images and image classification models for that. The main idea behind our MVP is that to help the patient who are sent home after the operation or the surgery for their post diagnosis so that they can upload their wound images, and image classification can be done based on that, so that doctor will get the real time update. These are the potentials we have in the upcoming I mean these are the potentials we can implement we can improve we can make a further improvements in this project.